Today we will show how to install SWISCO's automatic safety door closer for interior doors. This automatic door closer is a great solution to keeping doors closed that are often mistakenly left open. All you need is a power drill with a 3/32" drill bit and a Phillips head screwdriver. Begin by deciding where to position your closer. It should be placed on the hinge side of the door, away from any obstacles. Choose a higher location to keep out of reach of children. Place the closer on the jamb with the arrow pointing away from the door. Then mark the screw hole locations with a pencil. Using a drill, start pilot holes in the marked locations. Place the door closer back on the jamb, being sure that the arrow is still facing away from the door. Then fasten your screws. Temporarily attach the closer arm to determine the placement of the slide plate. Position the slide plate under the arm, then unscrew the arm from the closer. While holding the slide plate in place, drill a hole and attach it to the door. Now you can reattach the closer arm, this time using the winding rod to increase the closer's tension. Wind the closer to a farther hole if you need to increase the closing speed of your door. For this part and more, visit us at SWISCO.com.